Hello YouTube, it is Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Now, what I'm about to embark on in this tutorial doesn't have anything to do with antique furniture restoration. It has to do with my son's bedroom. Now, I've said normally my channel focuses on antique and old furniture and restoration and everything that goes along with that. I am going to start branching out and doing tutorials on things in regards to my house, upgrades, fixing things, me doing things for the first time. So what I'm about to embark on in this tutorial, let me preface this video. If you love Captain America, this is not the video for you. Shut it down, walk away, don't leave me mean comments in the comment section. My son is 16 and a half, and I just bought this house a little over a week ago, and this is in his bedroom. Now, if my son was like, I don't know, under the age of 12, maybe he would find this like uber cool, but it's got to go. So, there's also some like, it looks like the kid who was here before took a screwdriver and kind of scraped at the wall. So I have a little prep sanding just a little bit before I start priming. So what I'm going to do in this video, I went to Lowe's. I said, listen, I need the best primer that you have because I got a huge Captain America. What is that? That's a seal? That's a seal. Sorry, I'm not into superheroes. Sorry, it's not my thing. But anyways, his shield, whatever symbol, is on my son's wall, and I need to paint his wall a neutral color, so I need the best primer you got. So, this is what they gave me, and I'm going to do a review on it and tell you what I think. Here it is. Ooh. It's this stuff. High Hiding Primer Sealer. All right, you guys, I'm going to give it a whirl. We're going to see how well this stuff does, because I got to tell you, I think this is like the ultimate test. This, we got blues, we got metallic silver, we got red. Over on another wall here, we have a big window, but I've got some that blue here. And then his closet wall here, we got red. So I got a lot of ground to cover, and I'm hoping this stuff is gonna do the job. So let me prep the room. You're gonna see me on a time-lapse video. Biscuit is doing laps. Do you hear him? He sounds like a racehorse. He's doing laps in the house right now. He does this occasionally. And then I'm gonna take off all the light switches and, you know, prep the room. So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna go in real time, and you're gonna see me start to cover up Captain America. Again, I'm sorry. I have to do it. All right, here we go, you guys. And then we have the flash light switch plate cover. Notice where the bottom screw is? Really? You couldn't find a better place to put the screw than his groin area? Sorry, Flash, I'm about to violate you. Poor Flash. Who puts it right there? Can you just see the marketing people around a table designing this? Yeah, let's just put one right there where his ding-a-ling is. That'll be funny. Then let's market it to kids. Yikes. See you later, Flash. Bon voyage. It's probably so stuck to this paint. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to pry that off. Everything I needed to plaster, and now I'm just going to take some 150 grit sandpaper around a felt block, and I'm just going to go over some of those rough areas that I was talking about that I just noticed needed some sanding down. Just a quick I said, it looks like this little kid just took a screwdriver around the paint here, gouged it pretty good, and I just need to flatten those areas out before I take primer to it. So I'm going to continue to do that on a time-lapse video, and then we're going to start to prime this baby. Laid out on the floor to protect the carpet. I have put a little bit of the primer here in my tray, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to edge around this wall and get that set, and then I'm going to get my roller out and we're going to start to cover. R.I.P. Captain America. See ya. This is the first coat of the primer on. It is almost dry. I've been able to hit all these 3 other walls with the primer. Everything looks great, really good coverage so far. I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. Again, what is this stuff called? Oh my gosh. I think I covered up the can with all the paint. It's Valspar High Hiding Primer Sealer. High hide for drastic color changes. And it says you can recoat in 1 hour, and they aren't kidding. So I'm probably at close to the hour mark on the Captain America shield behind me. You can still see it a little bit. I think after I get a second coat on there, it's gonna take care of it really well. But the blue wall over here is completely covered, and the red wall over here is completely covered. Let me just kind of turn. That all was red, that is gone, and then that was blue. And everything's looking really good. So now I'm gonna do another time-lapse video of me applying the second coat. Sayonara. Beware, it really smells. I think I need to put a fan on.
Really white.
Yeah.
Mine just looks like the regular paint color.
Yeah, it has a hint of gray with it if you see it against the baseboard.
Yeah.
See how that's really, really white?
Like really
so
bright in here.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's crazy.
It really opened it up. Now you can see how nasty and yellow your shades are. Mm-hmm. We gotta get rid of those.
Yeah.
But much
That's
better.
good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you get to pick out your color tomorrow. I'm done. He gets to do the next phase. Yep, I'm retired. Hey everyone, this concludes my video on the Valspar High Hiding Primer. This stuff is awesome. I would use this again. I would recommend this to anybody who has a bright colored wall and they don't want to be putting on numerous coats of primer and it not working or not getting ample coverage. This stuff works. So get yourself some, use it. Hey, I paint furniture, that's my forte. I don't do inside walls. So if I can do this, anybody can do this. Just get yourself a roller, get yourself an edger, I'll just show you the products that I used to edge before I did some painting. I used an angle brush. I think this was a 1.5 angle brush. And here's this little edging roller that I went around the windows and the closet door and the door to the room. This helped a lot getting into those areas. And then I just used a standard roller on a stick. That's it. And it went very smoothly. And as you can see, I mean, look, that's 2 coats of this primer. You would probably not even know that there was a huge Captain America red, blue, silver shield back there. It's like it didn't even exist. So we are very excited. I'm not kidding you. My son's painting his room. I'm done. Like I said, I'm retired. I did my part. I did the hard part. So we're just going to go with a bright white. In this room, we want to keep it bright since it is a smaller room. So that's what we're going to go with, basic white. And then we're going to get his bed put together. And then I'll be on to my next project. I am not getting much sleep these days. My voice is getting a little hoarse. It's 12:30 in the morning. I got to be back up again at 7. So I'm going to get going. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of me owning my new home and starting to do projects along the way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. It's in the lower right hand corner. It's a red button. It's right there. Just click on that and then you'll get notifications every time I update a new YouTube tutorial. So see you guys. I'm getting very tired. My voice is going. I'll see you soon. Bye.